everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. By the way, my name is Marian, and today we'll be featuring and talking to one of our amazing virtual assistants here at Remote Philippines Jobs. Let's learn more about her story, her journey, and her experience here in the company. So please welcome Miss Sheena Rovelio. Hi, Miss Sheena. How's your day so far?
Hi, it's very hot in the Philippines, but I'm doing good so far.
Ayun. True naman, it's very, very hot talaga. Okay.
Yeah,
So before we start, Miss Sheena, can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
sure. So my name is Sheena, and I've worked as a quality supervisor in a BPO industry before I joined Remote Philippine Jobs. I've also worked as a case assistant in a personal injury law firm. It's a direct client, however, it's in EST or US time. So technically in the Philippines, graveyard shift. Puyat, always.
True. So this is not your first time working remotely, correct?
Correct, yes. I've been working remotely for 6 years.
Oh wow, sobrang tagal na.
Yeah,
So you've been really doing this, and we're glad no na even though you have that lot of experience already, you still choose RPJ. Ayan. So we're really happy that you were part of the team now. So welcome, welcome. By the way, to RPJ or
thank
the
you.
Jobs family. Okay. So now, Miss Sheena, I just want to ask you a few questions. Just to know you more or your journey here in RPJ. Okay. First, how would you describe your journey here so far, Miss Sheena, that would really inspire people na nanonood na yon?
I would say the hiring process was actually really very fast. It's very smooth as well, so it's not that complicated. With my previous experiences, hiring process is very difficult at some point. Pero dito sa RPJ, it's very smooth. I just met Lorraine, and then job offer agad. So it was very smooth and fast.
Wow, onboarding tapos pagka kinabukasan, okay, start the work na. Ganon.
Correct. Yes.
Sobrang dali. So, in a span of, or ilang days yung gap? I mean, ilang days yung hiring or yung process mo from applying to being hired?
So I think I applied, if I can remember correctly, I applied say last week, and then I got um, a confirmation or an interview by Monday. So very fast lang, hindi ka na magwe-wait ng ilang weeks for you to get an interview schedule. And then after the interview, parang 2 to 3 days after, I've already got a confirmation that nakapasa ako sa interview. And then after ng interview, onboarding and then job offer na. Ganon siya kabilis.
Wow, congratulations with that experience of the hiring process, Machina. Okay, so ngayon, I know you already have a lot of experience working remotely or as a virtual assistant, but what made you take the chance to, to apply to this company, to our company?
Yeah, so nahook ako actually sa job post sa online jobs when it says day shift only. Kasi as a graveyard shifter for 6 years, ako magpuyat and all, so I'm looking for a day shift opportunity. That's why RPJ interests me the most when I look for jobs in OLJ.
Ayun, yun naman talaga, di ba? Sobrang, parang productive if we are working during the day, right?
Correct. And it's a lot of energy that you put into your work instead of magpupuyat ka. Like, 1 week kang puyat and your work is so-so na lang kasi puyat ka na, pagod ka na, wala ka ng brain cells. But in RPJ, lahat ng energy ko since day shift, nasa work lahat. So, it's a good thing that this is a day shift.
True. It's really helpful now. Parang, meron parang VA na, or I know there's also other industries, I mean, company na parang, nagtatrabaho sila, freelance. But here, it's full-time. And then, flexible naman siya. Pero during the day yung trabaho natin, hindi gabi working in.
Correct. I think, yeah, that's what I like the most in RPJ. Flexible yung oras so long as naka-day shift ka.
True, true, true. I agree with you. Okay, be honest, Miss Sheena. Meron ka bang doubts or what were your doubts before applying here? Because I know that's with your experience, alam kong parang grabe ka na mag humanap, parang ganun ba? Or okay, to be honest, what were your doubts before applying here?
I had doubts. And I've mentioned this to Lorraine when I was talking to her during onboarding na maybe you can provide a contract first. With the contract naman. I think that's what's really the most important thing that you have to look for when applying for a job. It has to have a contract. Because if it doesn't have a contract, on medyo something is off if walang contract.
True naman talaga. Parang for security na lang din with the client.
Yeah, correct.
Ayan. So, dapat talaga very vigilant guys. Hindi lang, so, pucho-pucho naman yung pagka-hire mo. Ganon. So, you have, the agency
Correct.
or the client should have provide the contract or you should provide the contract and then let them sign. Ganon. Ganon.
Correct. Yeah.
Very vigilant talaga.
We have to be safe.
To be safe, marami na mga scams ngayon guys. So, you can be sure
Correct.
than, correct in the later on.
Correct.
Okay.
Ask for a contract always.
Okay, since you're already like long year of experience or long years of experience with working remotely, but are there any skills that you have gained since joining here at RTJ?
So RPJ has a different field compared to what I was working on. Kasi before I was a case assistant, I was a quality supervisor. So it's very different, no? So in RPJ, I somehow learned how to manage social media. That's one. Wala akong skills nun at all before I joined RPJ. But for a couple of weeks that I'm with RPJ, I've learned how to manage social media. I learned how to attract applicants in OLJ. So things like those.
Okay, wow. So, andino naman din, di ba, that, or we all know naman din, that learning is a lifelong process. Every day, we will learn new skills then. And one thing na maganda din here at RPJ, even though meron ka na experience o wala ka mang experience, they will still provide you with training, right? So that's why
Correct.
we what do you call this? We accept newbies or no experience because everything is provided, guys. You just need to, to work hard in order for you to learn from it. Ganun lang.
Correct. And RPJ provides a lot of SOPs. Very easy to follow SOPs.
Yun din. Kahit ano pa mang role mo, they will really provide an SOP for you to follow. Ayan.
Correct.
So, thank you so much for that one, Michelina. Okay. So, ngayon, since na-mention mo na yung mga yung hiring process mo na it only takes you like maybe like a week and then you're hired. So, I'm really amazed with that experience of yours. But ano yung, do you have any tips for the applicants who want to pass the hiring process? Ano yung may bibigay mong mga tips sa kanila?
Really, just to be confident during your interviews. You know your own self. Kilala mo naman ang sarili mo. So you don't have to like doubt yourself during interviews. Just be confident in answering questions. Also, be very articulate when answering. Very clear, ganyan. Clear and concise instead of like doing or paikot-ikot ba na
True, I
sagot.
agree with you. Okay, Miss Lina, since you have, ano yung one thing na parang iba or nagustuhan mo with our company? Because I know you have worked with a lot of clients already and agencies or whatsoever. But ano yung nagpa-stood out sa'yo na parang ay kakaiba yung RPJ with other company that I work with aside from this company parang nagtatrabaho during day shift. Ano
So aside from day shift here, you will have the training, and aside from training, may SOP ka pa that you can follow anytime or you can go back to anytime if in case nakalimutan mo yung kung hindi ka nakikinig ng mabuti during your training, if in case nakalimutan mo, then you can go back to the SOPs. I think that's what really stood out the most. And when they send the SOPs, they make sure na binasa mo talaga yung SOP. They are asking for you to summarize the SOP. So I think that's what really stood out the most in RPJ.
And hindi yung paiba-iba, yung iba-iba yung ibinigay
Correct.
sa'yo na task, tapos wala sa SOP, ganun. It's not something like that here in RPJ. Kung ano lang talaga yung nandun sa SOP, yun lang talaga yung process na need mong i-follow. Ganun lang, right? So, thank you so much for answering
Correct.
that one, Miss Sheena. So, masasabi mo ba, I know you're not that long pa here, right? But masasabi mo ba right now na this company is worth the price?
It is very worth the try, no? Kasi a lot of remote workers really like yung flexible hours, and also given the fact na almost say 60 to 70% of the VAs are Filipinos, they love day shift. So worth it to try ang RPJ, and very easy lang ang task. They provide you with complete trainings and SOP.
True, ayun. So yun lang talaga, guys. We just want you to experience what we experience here, the flexibility, the peace of mind, yung walang micromanaging. Yun talaga, yun yung hinahanap natin sa
Correct.
Pinoy when it comes working remotely. Yung bang nagtatrabaho tayo pero hindi tayo pressured. Right?
True. And also once log out ka na talaga. Unlike other companies na gagawin ka pa even if tapos na yung shift mo. In RPJ, that's not what's happening here. Pag out mo na, out mo na.
True talaga, wala lang nagme-message sa'yo. So, try
Correct.
guys. This, you know what, RPG is really worth the price. Yun lang yung masasabi namin. So, take the risk, guys. Alam naman natin na hindi talaga madali. Especially if this is your first time working remotely or trying to find a job remotely, hindi siya madali. But consider RPJ as your parang stepping stone or training ground, especially if you don't have any
Correct.
work experience. So, ayun. Okay. So, now, Miss Sheena, I want to know you more. Parang ganon. So, meron akong ginawa dito for mini fast talk. Ganon. Mini fast talk. So,
Okay.
are you ready?
Yes.
So, Miss Sheena, what do you prefer? Is it laptop or second monitor?
Laptop.
Okay. I prefer second monitor. Parang ang liit-liit naman ng laptop. But yeah.
Yeah, I think it's preference kasi I've been working with laptop for how many years, so nasanay sa laptop.
So, next.
Yeah. Also, you can bring it anywhere.
Yun yung mga
Sorry.
saan tayo nagtatrabaho. Especially that your work
True.
right now is non-voice, right? So, okay lang kahit, on the go, as long as I have my laptop.
True.
Wow, so super parang nilook forward talaga natin when we are about to find like a VA work sa trabaho. To be honest ha, nadadala lang natin yung trabaho kahit saan. Yun,
Correct. Work
work
anywhere.
anywhere. Okay, Next we have here, is it what do you like before shift or during shift or after shift? Is it coffee, tea, or energy drink?
Always coffee.
Mm.
I prefer coffee. It keeps you awake.
Ay, okay. Kasi ako, I can't. You know, I can't. Nag-palpitate ako.
Really.
I tried kasi para daw,
Mm,
ano, wide awake. Pero sorry guys, to all the coffee lovers there. Sorry talaga. Meron nga, my body cannot handle it. Yun. Pero ikaw lang yung nag-ano nito. Ikaw lang yung nagtitimpla ng kape mo. Or you buy.
I buy because I don't trust myself.
Yayamanin si Michelle, guys. Yayamanin.
Because RPJ is staying on
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
So
yeah. Okay. Yun, para makapag-coffee kayo every day, apply here at RPJ, guys.
correct.
Okay, I love that. Okay, next question we have here, Miss. What is the one word that best describes working at remote Philippines job?
Comfortable. Very, very comfortable ka. Like, hindi mo na kailangan sumabak sa pag-commute going to the office. Nasa bahay ka na lang. Pagising mo, pwede ka pang whatever you wanna do before you start your shift. Maglaba ka, magluto ka. Very efficient and sobrang comfortable when working remotely.
Yun, comfortable. Parang ang big word ng comfortable, no? Kasi hindi lang siya comfortable when it comes to work, but parang your whole life na din, nagiging komportable. Ano, no?
Correct. You have work-life balance if you're working
Yun,
remotely.
I agree. Since this is also non-voice, guys. Not all non-voice. Kasi for example, my work, hindi naman ako non-voice kasi I'm in front of camera always. Ganon. But
Mm.
even though ganito yung trabaho ko, nakakangalay man with my throat, but I enjoy it. Kasi yun talaga, walang micromanaging. Parang hindi ka na-pressure going to work. Hindi ka na-pressure. Yun lang. Okay, thank you so much for that one, Miss Trina. Last question I have here. In regards with your work desk, is it messy or perfectly clean? Dito natin malalaman.
My desk is a bit messy currently kasi madami akong mga abubot dito. Pero when I start my shift, I want it clean.
True.
So, yeah. Bago mag-start ng shift, dapat talaga malinis kasi your environment is also important when working
True.
remotely.
Parang it will give you that drive din na parang motivation
Correct.
to do something good or pag-clean yung desk. But eventually, each shift,
Correct.
after shift, I don't know, ano nang
Agree. So, I'm about to end my shift actually, kaya medyo messy na, may mga baso-baso na here, whatever. Pero before I start, I usually clean it
parang
talaga.
organized, meron akong kating ko, nakalabas na yung kating ko, nakalabas na yung lipstick ko, gano'n. So, yeah. That ends our mini fast talk, Machina. So, ngayon, my one last question to you. For example, nawala ako ng trabaho, I get laid off, and then I have family to provide to. Gusto ko magtrabaho kasi meron akong mga luho, meron akong mga utang na hindi bayaran, ako shopping na hindi bayaran. How would you, like, ano yung advice na may bibigay mo sa akin as a friend? To you know, to be able to parang meron akong drive na okay, I need to apply to a certain company kasi ngayon parang nanduluma ako na paano na to ngayon, wala na akong trabaho, saan ako magsisimula, ano yung ma-advise mo sa akin?
So, I've been in that position before, no? Ako yung ina-advisean ng mga friends ko. Pero, what I would say is you have to stay motivated because if you feel like down ka na, unmotivated ka na, walang mangyayari. You're not gonna move forward with your life. So, you have to be motivated. You have to have energy to apply. I would say apply every day if you can. Schedule interviews if you can. And if before kasi wala pang RPJ eh. Hindi ko pa kasi kilalang RPJ before. But I would definitely refer my friends to RPJ or kung hindi man RPJ, no, kung sakali man hindi ako na-hire dito, no, I would definitely refer this person to my current company
Thank you.
to help out.
Thank you so much. Para hindi lang din ikaw yung merong money. Ako din, di ba? And you know,
Correct.
I agree with you na parang we have to start. We have to start now. If everyone na paano natin malalaman na kaya pala natin if we don't start now. So yun.
Correct.
Thank you so much for that, friend. So recommend mo na ako with your current employer rate mo. Ganun lang. So yun. Thank you so much. Ang
Yeah.
bait mo naman na kaibigan. But
Share your
yun din,
blessing.
di ba? And yeah, if I have a friend who's really wanted or really parang frustrated to find a job, I would really also recommend RPJ. Kasi,
Yeah, correct.
ewan ko ba, chill lang talaga dito, guys. Hindi siya chill.
Sobrang
Pero,
chill.
pero hindi ka stress. Yun talaga, hindi ka stress. Everyday, hindi ka stress. As long as you do your job, do your work, yun lang. So, again, thank you so much, friend.
Thank you as well, friend.
That ends our testimonial. Hanggang doon lang. And I really enjoyed talking with you. Even siguro if po ako dito with the whole day with you, parang I can learn something with you. I have a lot of skills to maybe learn from you, especially na kung makatulong with your friend. So, I know I can learn more from you as a friend. So, yung mga kaibigan ni Sheena, swerte nyo guys. Okay? Swerte nyo guys. Okay. So, yun lang, Sheena. I just want to say thank you so much for your time, for accepting Charis, for accepting this interview. And yeah, we're looking forward to more years working with you here in RPJ. Hanggat hindi mawawala yung RPJ, nandito kami, guys. Okay, so again, Machina, thank you so much for giving us like a glimpse of what it's like to be part here in Remote Philippines Jobs family. And we'd love hearing this kind of real stories like yours or from our amazing team members. And to our viewers, guys, don't forget to also we really love to hear from you too. So don't forget to LSSC. Like, share, subscribe, and comment to our videos. And who knows, di ba? Ngayon, nanood lang kayo. But soon, if you'll get hired, kaya na yung i-interview ko for the testimonial. So, yun. Thank you so much, Machina. And again, I really appreciate your time and welcome. And congratulations again working here in Remote Philippines Job. And
Thank you as
bye-bye.
well for the time.
Thank you po.
Bye. Thank you.